welcome in to another woolly review. Today we are doing James C Brett Aurora. It's a DK and it comes in 14 different colours. This colour is AU03 or blues. They're all in different ombre shades. It seems like it's going to be a short colour change. A long colour change. Gee whiz, Lisa. But we are going to test this out. It is 345 metres or 377 yards. 80% acrylic, 20% wool. So, Mr. James C Brett with your 100 grams. Let's have a look at you. So, the cheapest I found this at time of filming is £3.39 at the Little Wool Shop. Let's have a look. Oh, it's fairly quick colour change by the looks of it. But let's give it a go. So, just a very quick test. So do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. I can smell the wool. I can sort of feel it. It doesn't feel scratchy, but I can tell there's wool in there. Thankfully, I'm not allergic. But it feels quite nice on the hook. So I'm going to start with a row of single crochet. So yeah, 14 different colours. The Little Wool Shop, £3.39. I'll link that down below, as I will all of the details regarding this particular wool. Let me know down below if you have tried this, and if you have, what you've tried it on. Have you seen it before and rejected it? If so, why so? When I give my opinions, it's my honest opinion. It's not to butter anybody up. It's not to slander anybody. I'm giving my opinion. If I say something is good or bad, you might think completely the opposite. And thankfully, we're all different and have different tastes. But I'm going to give you my verdict. So, there's a single crochet. I'm going to go into a double. I really ought to have this on my wool genie rather than it sitting next to me. I'm definitely feeling the wool. Again, not scratchy. I'm just feeling the itchiness a little bit. Weirdly, on my arm. More than on my fingers. Oh, and on the back of my hand. I'm guessing the little wool fibres are flying. I'm just going to put this on my wool genie, make things a little bit easier. So carrying on with the double crochet, and I did forget to do the half double, so we'll do the half double next. It feels nice on the hook. I like it on the hook. It feels good. It feels completely fine in the fingers. Again, I'm not one that is allergic to wool. She says, and she really wants to scratch her arm right now. Okay, we're done. Wool fibres sated. And we get to the end. And I'm going to go in to do the half doubles on the last row. I'd say it's got nice definition on there. Yes, it is a quick colour change after all. But you know what? It's not too bad. It's got the creams and the light blues fairly close together and alternating, but slowly the skein is getting darker. So it's not suddenly dark. We won't get to the dark in this little test swatch, but it's short colour changes with quite a long colour change. If that makes any sense whatsoever, congratulations. Okay, I am going to put this down. And let's feel. Oh, that feels quite nice. I would happily wear that. That feels really nice. Again, I'm not allergic to wool, so that's good. I would avoid like the plague if you are, and you probably would anyway, because you'd see wool content and go, ah, run for the hills. Okay. There is a little bit of elasticity there. Not much, but there is a little bit. Now we'll go into a walk with our frog. And the walk is nice and gentle. No issues. But how about if the frog finds a moped? No issues whatsoever. There is a little bit of kinkage, but it's nothing major. That's not bad. That's not bad. So, for $3.39 for 100 grams or 345 meters, do I think it's worth it? Oh, doorbell. And now we've dealt with the doorbell, now we can get back to it. Yeah, for me, I would definitely say this is a wearable type of wool. This is nice to work with. It's lovely and soft and squidgy. You can see it does go to a black, but weirdly, it's got a very slight yellow tinge to the black. But we have a very dark navy, a navy, and then we've got a dark, like storm blue, as it were, cloudy day blue, lovely sunny day blue, and cream in there. $3.49 for 345 meters. It's kind of like a penny a meter. Penny a meter. What am I going to say? Would I turn my back on it completely? Nope. Would I be really annoyed if that was the only thing in the shop and I just had to have a DK that was wool acrylic? No. Would I be quite pleased and say, you know what, I quite like that. You haven't got my other stuff? Huh, well, okay then. All right, I'll take it. Nope. Would I have it in my top 10 and be quite pleased? If my other wasn't there, I'd take it and go, yeah, that'll do. That's perfect. I'm going to push it a little bit. I'm actually going to say a 4.5 ladybirds out of 5. For the Aurora, 4.5 for me. You see the little ladybird peeking out there. I think it's pretty good value for money, personally speaking. It's nice to work with. It's got a little bit of elasticity. The colours are quite a nice range, even though there's only 14 and it's a whole mingle of different colours. I think that's quite good. Value for money, spot on. James C Brett, you did good on this one. Well done. Maybe you'll have a look at the others that I have reviewed. Maybe let me know down below what you thought of this. Either way, I hope I see you again soon. Subscribe down below if you wish to, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.